Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add HTTPL and SSL security for your Wix website. So the very first step that you have to do is go to your site's dashboard. So first log into your Wix account and select the site that you want to manage. Now from the main dashboard, you have to navigate to the settings menu on the left side corner and then find your domain settings. Now in the settings menu, you will find an option called the domain. So you just have to click this one and to open the page where you manage all the settings related to your site's domain name. Now, once you're done with that, check your SSL status. So on the domain page, you have to scroll down until you see the SSL certification section. So it should say that your SSL is enabled and active. So below that, you can check that the option to redirect visitors to HTTPS is turned on. So if it's not, you have to toggle the switch to enable it. And lastly is to publish your site. Now, once you have confirmed your settings, you must publish your site from the editor to make sure that the changes take effect. So this will ensure that all your site visitors are directed to the secure HTTPS version of your site. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!